Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best Coding Games is probably one of the most effective and fun ways to introduce children aged 8 to 12 to the world of programming, transforming complex concepts into exciting challenges and interactive adventures that foster creativity, problem-solving skills, and a love for technology, setting them on a path towards a future brimming with opportunities in the ever-evolving digital landscape. Number 5. Playz My First Coding Kit. It's never been more fun to learn about computer science. This kit makes learning about binary codes, encryption, and algorithms an exciting adventure. With 30+ tools and parts, it provides hours of engaging activities. Create binary necklaces, ancient encryption devices, and much more. The colorful, fact-filled guide makes learning simple and enjoyable. It's perfect for home or classroom use. This kit challenges young minds while making learning fun. Watch their problem-solving abilities and test scores improve. It's an ideal gift for birthdays or holidays. Give the gift of learning and watch them explore the fascinating world of computer science. We stand behind our products. If you're not satisfied, contact us for a full refund. Your satisfaction is our priority. What we like. It's a fun, hands-on way to learn about computer science without needing a computer. If you are looking for a screen-free learning experience that teaches coding concepts through engaging activities, this is perfect for you. It's ideal for kids who enjoy puzzles and interactive learning. What people say. My son is having a great time with each of the projects in the kit and learning at the same time. He's using fine motor skills combined with following directions. He was excited to show off his binary code initial necklace and to follow the directions to work his way through a maze. The very basics from the ground up are taught, including binary numbers and algorithms. The methods used to convey the knowledge that will eventually turn into actual programming skills are top-notch. There are lots of activities to do, with excellent instructions and all materials needed. Number 4. ThinkFun Code Master. It's the perfect game for kids who love a challenge. It blends learning and fun to boost their problem-solving skills. This game helps develop programming logic and sequential reasoning. It's a great way to improve critical thinking skills. You get 10 maps, 60 levels, action and conditional tokens, and an instruction booklet. Everything you need for hours of gameplay. It's perfect for both beginners and experts, making it a great gift for kids aged 8 and up. Everyone can enjoy the challenge. Codemaster has won awards for its educational value and fun gameplay. It's a top choice for those who love smart games. Get ready for an exciting journey of learning and fun with Codemaster. It's more than a game, it's a learning experience. What we like. This game builds programming logic and problem-solving skills through progressively challenging levels. If your child enjoys brain teasers and strategic gameplay, this will be a great fit. It's a fantastic way to make learning fun and engaging. What people say. It is challenging enough that he will not get through it quickly. Some are more challenging than others. I like that my son can play on his own or we can sit side by side and try to get them individually while spending time together. In it, you receive maps showing where your avatar begins, the locations of the crystals, along with the location of the portal to bring you to the next level. You then write a program, using a guide scroll and specified number of action tokens, to move your avatar across the map to reach the portal with all of the crystals in hand. This is a wonderful introduction for children, and adults, to simple programming logic structures. It feels like a puzzle to him and it is abstract enough to not be overwhelming. He's learning the fundamentals of loop and logic structures and not getting tied down in the specifics of a particular programming language. The 60 levels allow the player to start slowly with very simple problems, learn the principles, but have plenty of advancing challenges to stay engaged for a long time. Number 3. CodaKid Roblox Coding. It's an award-winning program designed to teach kids coding. It's perfect for children aged 9 and up who want to learn computer programming in a fun and engaging way. Learn to create your own games using Lua and Roblox Studio. It's a fantastic way to develop valuable skills and unleash your creativity. With over 100 hours of content, it provides a comprehensive learning experience. It features bite-sized lessons that fit into any busy schedule. You'll learn real-world Lua coding and video game design skills. These skills are valuable for college applications, future careers, and life in general. It includes 12 months of platform access with unlimited live mentor assistance and 24/7 support. It's designed to make learning fun and easy. It offers a structured learning path with 19 modules, 53 quests, and 161 challenges. It provides clear progression and a rewarding learning experience. What we like. Learn real Lua coding while creating games in Roblox. It offers online mentoring and support, making it ideal for kids who thrive in a guided learning environment. If you're looking for a structured online course with expert guidance, this is the one for you. What people say. This game allows you to create your own Roblox games. Good video content, and provides ample opportunity for individual creativity. My nephew loved this, and even started coding games. Number 2. CodaKid Minecraft Java Coding. Learn real computer programming and code amazing Minecraft mods with Java. It's an award-winning online course perfect for kids aged 9 and up. This engaging course teaches kids to become creators. They'll learn Java coding and video game design using the professional Eclipse editor. Students will build incredible Minecraft mods to share with friends and family. It's a fantastic way to express their creativity. These short lessons fit easily into your child's busy schedule, making learning fun and manageable. It makes learning Java coding fun and easy. The skills learned are valuable for college applications, future careers, and life in general. The course includes 12 months of platform access with unlimited live mentor assistance and 24/7 support. It's the perfect learning environment. With tons of content, it provides clear progression and a rewarding experience for learning coding, creativity, and logic skills. What we like. This course teaches Java coding through the creation of Minecraft mods. It provides a structured online learning experience with expert support. If your child loves Minecraft and wants to learn to create their own mods, this is a great choice. What people say. Early courses start with mCreator and the intermediate level introduce Java. The projects are creative, the explanation videos are well produced, and the kids love them. My 12-year-old son loves to use this. It's very user-friendly. This is by far the best self-paced course I've came across. We tried it all, Tinker, Codable, etc. All of these were boring for them. CodaKid definitely got it figured out how to keep kids engaged. Really good balance of everything kids need: education, fun, humor, and play. Number 1. Mindz AI Board Game. It's the first ever board game designed to teach kids aged 6 and up about artificial intelligence and computer programming. Get ready for a fun-filled adventure with robots and neural networks. This isn't just a game, it's a high-quality STEM toy that makes learning coding and AI concepts engaging and enjoyable. It's the perfect tool for home, school, or clubs. It's incredibly easy to play, making it perfect for various settings, from homes and schools to coding clubs and summer camps. Everyone can join the fun. This game was created by a 9-year-old girl and has been featured in over 100 media outlets, including Time and NBC. It's now used in over 600 schools globally. It's the only game that introduces kids to key AI concepts like image recognition, training, inference, and adaptive learning, all while teaching coding fundamentals. A free curriculum is also available. It cleverly introduces complex AI concepts like backpropagation and autonomous behavior through fun gameplay with bots and code cards. This helps kids grasp the foundations of today's AI world. What we like. It's the first board game to teach AI and coding concepts in a fun and engaging way. If you are looking for a unique way to introduce your child to AI and coding through play, this is a perfect option. It's suitable for kids who enjoy board games and interactive learning. What people say. The very basic levels can be played by younger audiences, the age 6 recommendation, but the advanced levels do require a somewhat older mind approach. The nice thing is this means the game can grow with your learner. Having 3 modes of play with 2 levels of difficulty at each level makes the game easy to scale based on the age of the players as well as the experience they have with creating code. Mindz is a great introduction to coding by using cards to program motion. Of the coding games in my library, this is my favorite. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.